Ford is once again raising the bar in the off-road market with the introduction of the 2025 Bronco Raptor. Boasting a 418 horsepower twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine with 440 pound-feet of torque, this beast accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 5.6 seconds, showing Ford's commitment to dominating the performance segment. With a towing capacity of up to 4,500 pounds, the Bronco Raptor is more than capable of handling tough jobs. Designed to excel in off-road adventures, the Bronco Raptor comes equipped with a Fox suspension system, 37-inch all-terrain tires, and skid plates for enhanced protection. New styling elements like the Code Orange package introduce a bold look, featuring orange and gray graphics, orange tow hooks, and two fresh color options, Shelter Green and Velocity Blue. Inside, Ford has ensured both durability and comfort with rubberized flooring and marine-grade vinyl upholstery, while an optional leather upgrade is available for those seeking a more luxurious touch. Its infotainment system, featuring a 12.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus an optional Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensures drivers stay connected and entertained. The Bronco Raptor is also loaded with safety features, including Ford Co-Pilot 360, forward collision warning, and lane keeping assist. With an EPA estimated fuel economy of 15 miles per gallon city and 16 miles per gallon highway, the 2025 Bronco Raptor is poised to reclaim its position as a leader in the off-road market. But the question remains, can Ford truly dominate the segment again with this new release? All signs point to yes.